Hello everybody, welcome to another vlog. Today I launch my kayak from Gnejna Bay, and hopefully this time I have the perfect weather to go to visit Ta Marija caves, because last time I was here it was very rough. I couldn't even get close to them, but today, as you can see, it's amazing. As usual, I want to thank my sponsors, who are JM Motors, who sponsor these vlogs, and Zoleo, who kindly provided me with this satellite communicator. I am in the middle of the bay, and look how beautiful this bay is. I'm in Gnejna Bay. We have the tower up there. It's amazing, here. When paddling, I also like to paddle close to shore because it's safer and you can enjoy more the landscape. I also wish to dedicate this vlog to my friend Ray and his partner Rose, which I met this week, and two of my subscribers, who are Andrew and Marija, they came here from Australia and I met last week. This bay is amazing. If you look on the other side, where there is Arab area, let me pass this boat first so you can see it properly. Look how nice it is. Exactly in front of me on the opposite side, where you can see those clay slopes, are Araba Bay. This side here is Araba Peninsula, but today we are going on the other side. It's amazing that you can find boat houses even between the rocks. Look how beautiful this area is, how rugged it is, and paddling here take great care, because one can easily hit a rock underwater, because there are some rocks that are very shallow, and look at that rock there. But it's amazing, everywhere you look. Let me show you the bottom of this here as well. This rock in front of me, out of the sea, it's looked like a natural sculpture. It's very nice. I wouldn't be passing from here at night and hitting this rock. That would be super dangerous. Now we are in the safety corner, which I try to put every week. When going with your kayak, always remember to put the PFD on. Have your mobile inside your PFD just in case you get detached from your kayak, and in a waterproof case. I have also the satellite communicator. It's not a must, but in some places when we are under the cliffs, it can give you peace of mind. And at the end, tell the others where you're going to be and at what time you should be returning home. And these small things can be from a safe kayaking trip to a disaster, because you never know when you need such important things. Look how beautiful this landscape is here, with all those rocks. Once I visited these caves, and I did it from above, and I followed Google Maps, and I ended in a very dangerous situation, because I ended above Ta Marija caves, which are the slope is very inclined and it's full of clay, very slippery. And I have to say it was one of my most dangerous treks I ever did. The problem was that I had to first go to the sea level from this side and then go to Ta Marija Caves. But now let's show you, because I'm getting near Ta Marija Caves. Even the sea is beautiful here. When I came trekking, I ended up there, which is very, very dangerous. What I had to do was to walk down from here, go out down here, and then walk all the way. But now let's enjoy the landscape. How nice it is, the small guy here. Last time I saw people with a kayak inside here. And we have another kayak out there. And like me, is going to Ta Marija Cave, I think. Up there are up these cliffs where I ended when I followed Google Maps, where I told you it was very, very dangerous. Because if you slip, you end up falling down. And we are just a corner away from Ta Marija Caves. And we arrived at Ta Marija Caves. So I will show you how nice they are. There are these two openings. One can go inside one of them, the other one is very shallow. But let's go and explore this side. Look how nice it is. One has to take great care, because sometimes there was even some rock for here. Look how amazing it is. Wow, finally I'm inside with the kayak. You know I like things. How amazing it is. And it's cool. It's amazing. My glasses just fell and I caged there. I was lucky 2 times today. But let's concentrate here. Look how beautiful it is. Wow. We have some rocks out here in the river. Very, very shallow. Let's hope we can pass. Let's go inside. All the way, Amazing. How cool it is here, stuff. And this is all the way in. More than this, I think we cannot go, or without the kayak maybe. I don't want to get windy. And I don't have a reversing camera here, right now, Getting out of the caves is always amazing, the view. And the sea is amazing, look out, as well. But visiting this cave alone is already worth it. And now we have some more kayaks coming. We're in the sun again. And now I take a short break, so I drink something. I have to say I was lucky because I was allowed to film, because now lots of kayaks and paddle boats from the hiring of Gnejna. So now let's go to Fomm Ir-Rih, since we got this beautiful weather today in this country. It will be a pity not to try. Here even the color of this sea is beautiful. If you come here with a boat, take great care because there's a lot of rocks under the sea. Very, very shallow. Although with a kayak, it's not a problem. Look how nice these cliffs are here at Fomm Ir-Rih. Even on the other side. And hopefully I have to go there and inside. The landscape is beautiful here. Both in the sea are passing between these big rocks and even the cliffs up there. I'm not sure if you can see that on top of the cliff up there. There is a pillbox exactly at the edge. And those places are a little bit hard to reach by land, so having a kayak gets you to those places. And if you can see here as well, somebody even etched some steps in the rocks. Maybe some people used to come here to swim with their boats. Look at these steps in front of them. It's amazing. Now we want everything done for us. At that time, they even took the hassle to carve steps into the rock. Exactly there, in front of me, where I closed my vlog at Fomm Ir-Rih when I started up there on the cliffs and made my way to down here. It's a very rugged and beautiful area here. Hopefully, if we turn on this corner, we'll be arrived at Fomm Ir-Rih Bay. The wind is picking up, although should be not greater than force 3. See, but the sea is still flat, so hopefully I reach my destination and start heading west. Very beautiful this way. And this is Fomm Ir-Rih Bay. How beautiful it is. Here I also did a vlog how you go down to this beach from the cliffs. It looks very difficult, but at the end it's medium to low as difficulty. And we made it to Fomm Ir-Rih as well. It's a very small bay, and I think it's a little bit dangerous because as you see this side here has been a lot of rock falls here, and even the rock that's there, it soon will collapse. So take care if you come to these places. And if you come with the boat, there are plenty of rocks in the shallows. So take care not to hit my bottom. Like this, hopefully I will just pass. And we made it to shore. Now I stopped for a short break here at Fomm Ir-Rih Bay. Let me show you better. You can see we are surrounded by cliffs. This is a very small bay with this clay wall that it looks like it's falling piece by piece. And even there have been some rockfall. And even if you see the rock is all cracked up. Here's my lovely kayak. Now I take a small break here and then I start heading out to where I started. I have to say this is one of the most beautiful places I visit with my kayak. Even those cliffs up there. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Today I went with Ta Marija Caves and Fomm Ir-Rih, both two rugged and beautiful places. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Pierre Farrugia. If you can help me, if you join my Instagram as well, I have very nice photos on Pierre Farrugia Malta. Also want to thank my sponsors for today's video, which are JM Motors, Zoleo, Satellite Communicator and Ritz Kayaks. All of three are helping this channel to have better quality video and better videos. Until next time, bye bye.